guys, I just wanted to take a minute to tell you about the Chomps 24 pack that we just got off of Amazon. Decided to upgrade. Our family goes through these so fast. It is our go-to snack during the week, on the weekends, when we're at home or on the go. They're just so delicious, and we love that they're made with grass-fed and grass-finished beef. There's 10 grams of protein in one stick and 100 calories. And these beef sticks have no sugar, which is pretty rare to find. Let's open up this case. Comes right off. You can tuck this right here. I love that this case comes with the opening in the front, so I can just put this right into our cabinet and the kids can grab one when they're hungry. Usually when you buy these in the grocery store, they come in a bag. This one's definitely a little bit more economical in terms of space in your cabinet, really convenient. There's 24 sticks in here, so this will last us definitely a little bit longer in our house than the 8 packs that you can get in the grocery stores. I just want to tell you guys too that they are delicious. I have never liked jerky or beef sticks in the past, but I've been eating a little bit more meat lately, and I wanted to have a really easy go-to snack, especially for on the go when we're running around busy with the kids. And these ones are actually delicious. They are soft, unlike sort of the hard, chewy jerkies that you can buy. Even though they're packaged, they have a freshness to them that I really appreciate. It's just really good, and the kids love them. The mild, original flavor beef sticks are not too spiced for the kids. Sometimes jerky can be spicy. These ones are not. They really enjoy these, and we enjoy them too. Grass-fed and grass-finished beef. They're raised without antibiotics or added hormones and fed a vegetarian diet. They're incredibly tasty, as I mentioned, and they're made without wheat, nuts, soy, and milk, and there's no nitrates or nitrates added. All great things if you're looking for a new go-to snack for your family. Definitely take a look at the Chomps. They have a number of different flavors. Like I said, this one is the original beef sticks, mild. Definitely give them a try. I think you're gonna like them, so you may want to just go right to the 24 pack.